also for India. So that means that our shows of Deutsche Messe are much more international than shows of our competitors in exhibition business. We do many shows abroad. I wouldn't name all of them, of course, but this is a very fast-growing part. In Germany, in Hanover, last year, we had a little bit more than 60 events. We welcomed 24,000 exhibitors and 1.7 million visitors in Hanover, and we sold more than 1.2 million square meters net. Abroad, we had last year more than 40 events, having similar number of visitors, exhibitors, and sold square meters. But this part of our business, the abroad shows, this is the very fast-growing one. And this year, we are having 60 events worldwide, which is the same number as we have shows in Hanover. So we expect in a very short period that the number of shows we do abroad are exceeding the number of shows we do in Hanover.